What is the Archimedes spiral? You see it in seashells and you see it in galaxies, so what is it? Well, this is Archimedes, a legendary mathematician, and was known for, you guessed it, the Archimedes spiral. The Archimedes spiral was first described by the ancient Greek mathematician Archimedes of Syracuse in the 3rd century BC. Since then, its properties have been studied by many mathematicians such as Descartes, Leibniz, and Bernoulli. Math can be complex and hard things can be simple, so check out the channel for more content like this.